Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda CR-V EX. This model is equipped with fog lights as well as LED daytime running lights. You will have keyless entry as well as remote start. It does come with 12-way power seats, which includes 4 of those ways for lumbar support. You will have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls, control your music, as well as the Honda Sensing Suite with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and other security and safety features. You'll have a screen which enables you to have smartphone integration for Apple CarPlay as well as for Android Auto. You'll have dual climate control, an Econ mode for fuel efficient driving, electronic parking brake as well as the brake hold feature. You do also have heated seats in the front. You'll have a power outlet, cup holders, the center console opens up, that'll slide back and you'll have additional USB and power outlets down there. Place it to store your sunglasses as well as a built-in mirror for the back seat. This vehicle does come equipped with all-weather floor mats in the front as well as in the back. Additional USB ports. Capless fuel filler. The vehicle also comes equipped with a backup camera, all-weather cargo tray, you'll also have a spare tire as well as a toolkit, and you also have these levers which will conveniently fold down the back seats for you. This is the 2019 Honda CR-V EX.